just thought I'd share this little snip of our GreenLink project, which is the twin SVO 1600 Vortceptors going in at Cranbourne West. So this, you can see there's the two Vortceptors installed. In the middle today we're going to be placing twin 5 metre by 5 metre diversion chambers. Those diversion chambers on the outlet will have a 1350, a 1200 pipe and two 1800s coming out into this wetland, which is yet to be excavated down another 3 metres behind. You can see they're prepping the base, ready to land these diversion chambers. Now the diversion chambers are too big to be transported as a single piece. And because they're too big to be transported as a single piece, you can see here we're installing this as a modular panel style diversion chamber. Look at this 250 tonne crane ready to start placing these components. And as we come over to the diversion chambers is the base sections. You can see the detail in these. You can see that the walls are rebaited down. We have ferrules cast in. We have bars coming up into the walls into grout tubes, which will be later filled. Rebates for the inlet and outlet pipes. You can see the low flow pipe for maintenance. You can also see these green plugs are all pre-set out ferrules for bracing the walls during assembly. Each of these base sections are 18.5 tonne, as I said before, 5 by 5 metres roughly. And then the walls will be going in today. It'll be a 1-day install. That's just a peek at what's going on in the southeastern suburbs of Melbourne. Well, look at that. It's the end of the day. And in 4 hours and 59 minutes from the first lift to the last lift, we've constructed this. What you can see here is the twin SVO 1600 Vortceptors with 5 metre by 5 metre assembled diversion chambers. Some of the key points of this project is 70%, this solution provided a 70% CO2 reduction over traditional GPTs. It provided a 50-year design life and a 25-year warranty, which for the asset owner, being City of Casey Council, is a major benefit. Being able to assemble these systems so quick and easily is a massive saving for the contractor. This project is now assembled and we'll move on to the backfilling and pipe laying stage. It's a wrap.